Okay, today I want to share something really exciting with y'all. We're going to walk through something brand new from Newmar Motorhomes. I want to show you the Grand Star Super C. This is on a Freightliner chassis. Right behind me is a 2026 Grand Star. They added these in mid-year, so this is a brand new product. The Freightliner chassis is made in Gaffney, South Carolina. The house, the rest of the motorhome, is made in Napanee, Indiana at Newmar. This 26 is a 39-footer. It's got the blackout package, the Onyx package that Newmar does with the black wheels and the black mirrors. It also has, where you might have stainless steel at the bottom of some of the motorhomes, this has black. I love that. I think it's super cool. Okay, so this is a 39-footer. The Grand Star comes in 3 floor plans. 2 of them are 39 feet long. I want to show you the 34-foot model. Right behind Tom here. This is a Grand Star 3444. Again, on a Freightliner chassis. Let's go around and look at the front to begin with. And as usual, I'm going to let Tom show you the outside of the coach, but I want to take you inside first to show you the inside. Okay, welcome inside the 34-foot Grand Star by Newmar Motorhomes. You see, you've got a bunk up here, so extra sleeping space. It also has a window and little storage cubbies with power on either side. You can access your driving area, and oh my gosh, is this seat comfortable. It just adjusted to me as I sat down in it. That's kind of cool. You've got a big Sony display up here. Your leveling jack stuff is right over here. It's a Freightliner chassis, so you're going to have your transmission right here. And yeah, wow, when I'm sitting here, I feel like I'm driving a truck. This is pretty comfortable. Everything's very easy to reach, and because it's a Freightliner, they remind you right here that you have 24/7 access to support from Freightliner in the case that you have a question or an issue. So let's check out the rest of the coach. Because it's a Super C, that's not really part of the living space. The living space begins right here. We've got cabinets up above and also up here. A little thin up here, but you know, hey, games, cards, maps, things like that could go up there. Books. You've got your TV right here with a Bose, it's a Samsung TV and a Bose soundbar. You've got your booth dinette, and it is coming with storage underneath. You've got windows on either side, and these windows do open, so on a nice day you're going to have really good airflow. They've set this one up with theater seating. Just going to look at the TV right across. You've got some additional storage up here, and they do stay open. They're on strut hinges. This is all one storage cabinet with 3 access points. You've got a big storage area right above, and a large one-piece sink that's stainless steel. Solid surface countertops. More storage down below, as well as easy access to some of your plumbing.
Yeah.
You have induction cooking in this one. So here is your 2-burner induction cooktop. It's like what we have in our New Aire, actually. And you just have these when you're not using it. These just cover it up to give you more working space. You've got a Whirlpool convection microwave oven and a dishwasher right down here.
Wow.
As well as a huge drawer and then several smaller but very deep pocket drawers. Here's going to be your brains. This is your your panel to see your house batteries, your chassis batteries, turn on your tank heaters, your water pump on and off. You can see all of your fresh gray and black tank levels, your propane levels. You can turn on all your lights from here. You can even do master or individual rooms for your lights. You've got your auto generator start right here in your settings. You've got your air conditioning and heating controls right here, living room and bedroom, and you can download the Newmar app on Google or Apple and pair your device to your motorhome, and then you can control all of this right from your phone or pad. That's pretty sweet. This is going to be your midship bathroom. And these are hard to film with a camera, but let me get in here and show you. You've got 2 shower heads. You've got a skylight above, so that gives, I can't even touch the skylight. I'm 5'7" and I'm stretching up as high as I can. I cannot touch the ceiling here with the skylight. And you've got a little place for soap right here. Then you've got several cabinets inside the bathroom. Tons of storage space in here. They all latch really nicely. You've got a single bowl, large sink, metal, not glass. Or it doesn't sound like glass anyway. And you've got a lot of storage underneath, again, with some easy access to some of your plumbing. And another big drawer. All right. Now in this bathroom, it's like ours. We have a pocket door. So whether you're driving down the road and someone needs to use the restroom, or you're just set up and living, you never have a door opening into the hallway, which we love. You also have a pocket door coming back here to the bedroom, which we'll get to in just a second. We've got a Whirlpool refrigerator freezer. And then here's the pantry. Big deep shelves that you push to latch into place so they will not slide out while you're traveling. And you can adjust these so you can put them at different heights. All right, in the bedroom, you've got an adjustable bed. This is a king bed where you can also sit up to watch TV or read. You've got a closet right here. Look at that. A combo washer dryer, splendid. You've got your Samsung TV here with 2 good-sized drawers. Several more drawers. These are huge drawers. Right here in the middle. There's a third one down on the bottom. Oh, it was not a combo washer and dryer. Here's the other piece. That's pretty dang exciting. Okay.
Yeah, I was sitting there looking at that saying, I don't think it's a combo.
It's not a combo. My bad. You got a washer and a dryer right here. That's a good use of space. And then another closet, wardrobe, right in here. And Newmar gives you a bag. This will have all of your books in it, all of your brochures about all of your parts and pieces and everything. So anything that you need to know about your motorhome is going to be in there. This is going to be your access panels for your wiring and things, your fuses and things like that. And then we've got one big, huge storage bay across the top. And like all Newmar motorhomes, I believe at this point, they've got a plug, an electrical plug up in the middle. And they also have drop downs right here, pass-throughs, where if you use a CPAP machine, you can keep the CPAP machine up here and just run the hose through this access point, so it doesn't have to be in your way here on your sidebar. So that is the inside. Oh, we've also got plugs right here with USB, and it's got a standard USB as well as a smaller USB, and then two regular plugs as well, with a little bit of storage right there.
Okay, now the outside of the Grand Star 3444 Super C from Newmar. Of course, with it being a Super C, you have, it's locked of course, but you have regular doors like a truck. So when you get to the truck stop, you can come right out this way, or you can use your center door. But yeah, that's handy. This one's got an outside TV with a sound bar on it, Samsung TV, probably, I don't know, maybe a Bose sound bar too. Big old storage compartment up here. Another one, about the same size. Fit all those. A nice good barbecue grill could fit in there pretty easily. Right here, another good size, and this is an internal vac. So this kind of vac is the same like we have. So you can hook up your vacuum. It's got a kick plate on the inside, so you can sweep into it, or you can plug your hose into a part of it too and vacuum on the inside, and you can vacuum on the outside. If you want to come and vacuum these bay doors, you can hook it up out here. Okay, right here we got your house batteries. They're pretty easy to access right there. 4 batteries. Right here is your inverter. And by the way, I didn't say it up front, but this has it's a diesel, 360 horsepower, Cummins engine. It's a front engine diesel, of course. This back bay is another storage bay, and there's actually a dump back here, which I'm kind of guessing that may be for the washer and dryer. It may be for the water for the washer and dryer. Right here's your electric grill, and also in here is your panel, your electrical panel.
Protected, but easy to read.
Yep, very well marked. And your surge protector in the back. Again, that surge protector is good for one surge. So we strongly recommend an external surge protector. Here's the wet bay. And on it, here's where you plug in. It's got a black tank flush. Obviously you see pink because it's winterized right now.
Easy to get to the filter.
Yep, very easy.
It's got a Truma AquaGo hot water heater.
Oh, okay. Yep. Truma AquaGo. And here's just a regular bay. Here is your big propane that I'm assuming runs your heat, your furnace, and I guess also for your Truma. And then here are the chassis batteries. And this is your hydraulic lines and fluids for your hydraulic jacks. that's it. Hope you enjoyed this quick run-through tour of the new Grand Star line here at Newmar. And if you have any questions, put them down. If we can't answer them, we'll get people who can. And yeah, the show's starting off great here. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Give us a thumbs up if you did. And if you're not subscribed, why not? Okay, guys, until next time, safe travels and happy camping. Bye.